Okay, this is your WW3 news. Now, easily what's it? I'll tell you, the people haven't got the foggiest idea how much it's going to cost to repair these fuckers. Because you think they got a few parts, this could be any discussion, but the problem is they're made with great big electronic modules, which is fairly costly. I think there was two cases of Hyundai Eon model when a person wanted to change the rear brake pads of his vehicle. Obviously you need a scanner. Tried it twice with a scanner because you have to reset the software to open up the block where the pads you put inside. So he consulted his Hyundai dealer, and they said, we can sell you for $6,000 the scanners which we use, or 1 hour proven scanners which are third parties, $2,000 each piece, and $60 I think for every week to have access, technical access to their servers regarding the servicing which their garages uses, and plus you need a stable connection of internet, basically. You know, it goes to show, as Tesla started not giving you free access to have it serviced by third party for a product which you bought, and you have to pay to have that right. This even could be a common what you might call it thing in the future of cars, whether it's petrol, diesel, electric cars, because there'll be a hell of a lot of electronics, and obviously with a hell of a lot of electronics, it's guaranteed all play up and you will be spending money to have it repaired. America, yeah, again, Hyundai Eon, the electric version, due to a little bit spilt of water, a bit of an accident, this car began to play up, and by miracle it arrived home, and afterwards it didn't start it anymore. His repair bill with a Hyundai, don't know what they replaced, cables and modules and something, $12,000. You know, $12,000 for what? For amount of spaghetti junction or something like that. It's ridiculous. And people thinking of buying an EV is more economical than having a petrol or diesel car. There's a big difference in costs, parts, and costs of having it serviced. And because they're just what do we call it, traps to make you spend. First they sell you the car on hire purchase, which the car dealer and the car company, they earn on it, and a whole series of services which you're obliged to pay. which is a packet, that's other money. And a whole mountain of accessories which are absolutely useless. There's adapted to mongoloid drivers, in the sense of people who don't know how to drive and depend too much on technology. And to round off the news, here in Italy, the e-scooters and e-bikes. The city of Florence, from the 1st of April 2026, sounds like an April Fool's Day joke, this is official. These vehicles will be banned due to the fact they're on a traffic menace, because most of these people using them know how to ride them. They're very dangerous and they cause frequent accidents in them heavy congested roads in Florence. And plus these type of electric vehicles, if you see most of these vehicles, they don't have original official batteries of the brand who manufacture them. You find a lot of these homemade batteries which are dangerous, in the sense of there's more risk of during charging or during it's in movement, it'll explode the battery and catch fire. Which a month or so ago, a bus at Rome, which was severely prohibited for these electric things to be taken on board a bus, caught fire. Whole bus totally burnt. Lucky enough, everyone was evacuated, and destroying 2 cars.